Imagine a mind that soars on wings, not bound by a human skull. Some birds, like the Eurasian magpie, can recognize themselves in a mirror, a sign of self-awareness once thought unique to humans and a few mammals. When a magpie saw a mark on its body in a reflection and tried to remove it, science was forced to rethink animal intelligence. This spark of genius isn't unique to magpies, it runs in the corvid family. Among them, crows stand out as master problem solvers. Crows use tools in sequence and solve multi-step puzzles that would challenge a young child. Their brains, relative to body size, rival those of chimpanzees. These birds force us to question what intelligence really means. The magpie, capable of self-recognition, and the crow, a feathered engineer, both share our cities and countryside. We often overlook their extraordinary minds as they watch us from wires and treetops. Their intelligence is a cosmos waiting to be explored. They challenge us to wonder, what other secrets are hidden in the animal kingdom? The story of the magpie and the crow is a journey into another kind of intelligence. Studying them is like holding up a mirror to our own minds. We see reflections of our abilities, problem-solving, social structures, even culture. Their world is a parallel universe of thought, operating on different scales but similar principles. As we explore their lives, we'll uncover the incredible abilities that make each bird a marvel of evolution. Prepare to be amazed by the brainpower packed into these feathered beings. This isn't a battle, but a celebration of two forms of brilliance. The ultimate bird showdown is about understanding, not conflict. Let's dive into the minds of these avian geniuses. The journey begins now. Why compare magpies and crows? They're cousins in the corvid family, sharing a foundation for intelligence. Both evolved along parallel paths, developing astounding cognitive skills. Their habitats often overlap, bringing them into contact with us and each other. Crows are true cosmopolitans, thriving almost everywhere except the polar extremes. Magpies prefer open landscapes, parklands, and gardens, often sharing neighborhoods with crows. This overlap leads to competition and fascinating interactions. Their similarities and differences make them perfect for side-by-side study. Both have adapted to live alongside humans, turning our leftovers into feasts and our buildings into vantage points. By studying their habitats, we learn about the ecosystems we share. They're indicators of environmental health and resilience. Their story is intertwined with ours, written across our shared skies. Two neighborhood geniuses, thriving in a changing world. The crow's problem-solving is legendary, using tools in sequence, planning steps ahead, and learning from experience. Magpies shine in social intelligence, remembering human faces and communicating danger to their flock. Both birds possess remarkable memory. Crows recall hundreds of food caches and even re-hide them if watched. This is social chess, thinking about what others might do. Such skills hint at theory of mind, a hallmark of high intelligence. Their brains, though small, are densely packed with neurons, especially in regions linked to complex thought, different structure, similar outcome learning, memory, planning, and adaptation. The corvid mind proves there are many evolutionary paths to intelligence. It's a universe of thought, built on a different blueprint. These birds are thinkers, not just survivors. The crow's deep black plumage isn't just striking, it's functional, with melanin-strengthening feathers for a rough life. Their glossy sheen flashes purple, blue, and green in sunlight. Magpies, in contrast, wear a bold tuxedo of black and white with a long, iridescent tail, shimmering green and blue. That tail isn't just for show, it's a rudder, giving magpies agility in flight. Crows are robust, with strong beaks for tearing, cracking, and digging. Their sturdy legs let them walk confidently as they forage. Magpies are more slender, built for quick, acrobatic movements. Their long tails provide stability for swooping and fluttering. Crows are powerhouses. Magpies are nimble opportunists. Both designs are evolutionary masterpieces, tailored for success. Each bird is a marvel of biological engineering. Their forms reflect their lifestyles and ecological roles. Evolution has crafted two distinct, yet equally impressive survivors. Crows are true omnivores, eating insects, seeds, small animals, and thriving on human leftovers. They've learned to use roads for cracking nuts and garbage cans as buffets. Magpies are just as opportunistic, foraging for insects, seeds, and raiding nests for eggs. Both birds adapt their diets to whatever's available, a key to urban survival. Their sharp eyes miss nothing in our backyards and parks. Communication is complex. Crows have a wide vocabulary of calls, clicks, and rattles, sharing information about threats and food. Magpies use harsh chattering calls for alarms and social bonding. Both build large, sturdy nests high in trees. Magpies sometimes add a dome for extra protection. Their nesting is sophisticated, reflecting their intelligence. These birds are not just survivors, they're innovators. Their adaptability is a blueprint for thriving in a human world. They turn our cities into their own ecosystems. Urban life is their stage for ingenuity. Crows and magpies are woven into our myths, symbols of wisdom, trickery, and transformation. Crows with their dark plumage are omens and messengers in many cultures. From Odin's ravens to Native American tricksters, magpies, seen as thieves in Western folklore, are symbols of luck and love in East Asia. Their presence in stories reflects our hopes, fears, and values. We project meaning onto these birds, making them cultural icons. They fly through our art, literature, and imagination. Their myths reveal as much about us as about them. We've explored the worlds of the magpie and the crow, each a star in the constellation of corvid intelligence. The crow is the master tool user, analytical and resilient, thriving in any environment. The magpie is the self-aware artist, shining in social intelligence and beauty. Each bird represents a different flavor of genius. To choose a winner is to miss the point. Both illuminate the sky in their own way. Their skills are complementary, not competitive. Intelligence is a landscape of many peaks, not a single summit. By studying them, we appreciate the diversity of thought in nature. Our own consciousness is just one version among many. Their existence enriches our world and expands our understanding. Next time you see a crow or magpie, remember, you're witnessing a universe of thought on wings. Which aspect of their intelligence amazes you most? As we close this journey through the lives of magpies and crows, we stand in awe of their brilliance. These birds are more than rivals. They are co-authors in the story of intelligence, each writing chapters of ingenuity, adaptability, and wonder. The magpie dazzles with social grace and artistic flair, while the crow astounds with its problem-solving prowess and adaptability. Their rivalry is not a battle, but a duet, two melodies weaving a richer tapestry of life. By observing them, we glimpse the vast possibilities of mind and spirit in the natural world. Their existence challenges us to see intelligence not as a competition, but as a celebration of diversity. In every city street and quiet woodland, magpies and crows remind us that genius takes many forms, and that the sky is wide enough for all stars to shine. May their wings of wonder inspire us to look closer, think deeper, and honor the extraordinary creatures that share our world.